So while we're putting together the new computer that we got, I gave Jada my old computer. Just want to talk to y'all about why I've been MIA. I've been going through a lot since Valentine's Day. We recently found out that we're going to be brand new grandparents. Yep, Jada is pregnant, and we had to wait till we could get all of the confirmation for it, and we did. I told all the folks that needed to be told, and now I am letting my YouTube family know, and my YouTube besties, and my YouTube sisters know what's going on. That's why I have been MIA for so long, and we've been going through a lot of other things as well. But here we are in this video. This video is chock full of laundry motivation for you and cleaning. Not too much cleaning, but some. And in the end, you'll see that there's a cake there because I did bake a cake for Valentine's, and that's where we were at when the video ended. In another video, I'll show you the hauls of everything that I purchased and bought, but this video is basically just laundry and just letting you guys know what's going on in our lives and to prepare you for the wonderful journey that we're getting ready to go on, because I have permission to document the entire thing. So we're getting ready to become grandparents, homeowners, and we're purchasing another vehicle. If this sounds like something that you would be interested in and you would like to do, please hit that subscribe and become a part of the Bestie crew. To my OGs and my new-news, I love y'all to the moon and back. I appreciate y'all. I thank you for sticking and staying and rocking with me and not leaving me when I wasn't there for y'all. And I appreciate you so much. Now, I'm going to stop talking. I'm going to let this video play out. Please pick up a broom, a mop, go get that load, do something, and let's get this done. Alright, besties, so what I'm going to do is the containers that you saw in the haul, I'm going to go ahead and fill those up, but I'm going to put them closer. I'm going to show y'all. I'm going to put them over on this side, closer to the furnace. Hopefully, prayerfully, it will keep them warm enough that they will not coagulate. Once I get over there, I'm going to show you what happens if you have a basement where you have to do laundry and it's not insulated properly. Your fabric softener will freeze. It will separate and it will be no good. I found that out over our very harsh winter, and because my basement is not insulated and the heat doesn't come out of this furnace into the basement, that's what happened. And actually also too, it clogged my washing machine, so I had to like stop, wash it, take all the pieces out and do all this stuff to try to get it unclogged so that I could use it. So if you wanted to know if fabric softener freezes, yes, it does. So let's get this stuff fixed and get back to washing, because we got a whole lot of laundry to do. So if you got a load, I know you do. We're not even gonna have that discussion, okay? I'm gonna let you off the hook right now, but get that load and let's get this laundry done. This container is going to house my detergent the powder detergent that I use when I make that big bucket, you know, that viral TikTok laundry detergent. But I put it in here so that I'm not having to haul around that big bucket. Here's a better example. You see it? It's still liquid, but it's chunky. You see how chunky that is? I'm not going to get rid of it because there's nothing wrong with it. It's just chunky. And I'm thinking if I get my hands on like some sanitizer and mix it up, maybe I can get it liquid again. But I'm going to wait till the winter is over and then try to work on it. Hello, besties. I went to Marshall's and TJ Maxx. I picked up this tray. This is super cute. It's pink and bows. That's gonna go in my room. I got me some Dubai chocolate. I'm gonna try this, but I have to wait till Tuesday. I picked up some sand and fog, strawberry shake, cherry silk, vanilla musk, vanilla and amber, and berries and cream. I also got me another candle warmer. Isn't she cute? Some honey stirrers, a half-gallon jar for the refrigerator. I also picked me up a Juicy Couture wallet and the bag, the viral juice to bag. Finally got me one. All right, and that is all from my haul. Time to put it away.